I'm going to show you how to replace the start-stop relay for a compressor on a Whirlpool refrigerator. The relay is what actually turns the compressor on and off. So like I said, I have a Whirlpool refrigerator. You can find the model number on the inside of the refrigerator on the sticker. You can see there on the left side. And this refrigerator will not cool down. It's only a few weeks old. And I replaced the relay with a different relay, found out that it would turn on with the swapped relay, so I went ahead and bought another one. So now I'm gonna go ahead and replace it. The first thing you do is unplug the refrigerator, remove this back panel, which is some 8mm screws or bolts. And you wanna be careful when working behind here, as there is refrigerant in the system and you don't wanna crack any of these copper lines. So this big black thing is the compressor, and it does what the name implies. It compresses the refrigerant to run through the system, thus cooling your food on the inside. And you can see to the left here, we have a couple wires going to a module, and that is the relay that's not working. I can feel the compressor. It's been plugged in for 24 hours. It's still cool to the touch as it's never turned on. There's the model number that I was talking about, and what I'm pointing to right now is the relay. And you can find a part number on this as well, as long as going on to the Whirlpool's website and finding a parts diagram. Now you can see it's held on with a little wire that kind of holds it in place as the compressor kind of shakes as it operates, but it is plugged in, and you simply unplug it, and it has some wires that are plugged into the back, but what I'm showing you is what actually plugged into the compressor. So we're going to remove the rear plugs and separate it from the refrigerator. And you can see here the plugs that plug into the relay. And now we need to replace this relay. So I said I already bought a new one, so we're gonna go ahead and grab that new. And I just wanted to show you there are two parts to this, the relay and the capacitor. So I do believe the black part is the capacitor and the gray housing plug is the actual relay. And you wanna make sure that this is nice and secure. Just wanted to show you this in case maybe it came apart during the removal process. One thing that could indicate a bad relay is if the fridge turns on, but only for a couple minutes and then instantly turns off after plugging it in. It's possible the relay or capacitor could be bad in that situation. Now with it plugged into the wiring harness, we can now reattach it the correct way, being careful not to bend any of the terminals or bend any of the copper lines in the back, but plug that into the compressor. I couldn't do it while filming, but be sure to attach that wire hold piece in, that metal clip that secures the compressor, rather the relay to the compressor, as it can vibrate during operation. And just make sure it is installed in the proper way. So if you found this content helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, please leave a comment.